Today we would like to invite you to the Hampton by Hilton Warsaw Hotel in the city center near the Palace of Culture. This is not our first visit here. Parking at the hotel costs 130 zloty per day. You leave your car at the parking lift, the key at the reception, and the hotel staff will drive the car in and out. Alternatively, at the entrance to the hotel, there are public parking spaces. In a parking meter, the price per day is approximately 40 zloty. Upon entering the hotel, you will be greeted by 3 lifts. Go to the reception area on the first floor. Here you will also find a spacious snack bar. At reception, you will find a suitcase scale, a must if you are traveling by plane, a thermos of hot winter tea, and a waiting or working area. The hotel also has an express checkout box. You can drop your room card there for a quick checkout. We booked a queen-size room with a sofa bed about 23 square meters long on the top 17th floor of the building with a lovely view of the city. There is no fridge. We understand this, but a fridge comes in handy. There is PayPal Hotel Guide with all necessary information. Password for Wi-Fi is name and room number. There are many foreign language channels on TV, including TVN Turbo and YouTube. You can see that the room is often used, but it is very clean. The coffee set has very good Italian instant coffee. We had to move the kettle to the bathroom as it was on an uncomfortably low shelf in the room. The sliding bathroom door is also the door to the wardrobe, which is interesting, but you have to keep the wardrobe tidy, otherwise entering to the bathroom will be difficult. Optimally sized bathroom in light colors. There is walk-in shower with a semicircular window. There are beautifully scented and long-lasting stand of cosmetics, like in a 5-star hotel. The lack of ergonomics at the sink is surprising. To wash your hands, you have to bend over and stretch your arms quite far. The lift takes you to breakfast. The entire second floor is dedicated to the restaurant area. A large space and an interesting view of the streets of Warsaw from 3 sides you can find here. Breakfast is always included in the room price. The choice of food is average and the taste is also average, but there are some interesting touches, such as 2 stations of waffles, which are very tasty. We recommended making a fresh, crispy waffle in 3 minutes. Above it, the chocolate fountain, an eye-catching feature, but there was no queue for it. More importantly, there were probably 4 coffee machines, which effectively eliminated the queue as there was no shortage of people. Drinks from the vending machine and cakes are also available. The only attraction is the gym in the basement, with weights and treadmills. Water from a dispenser and towels are available. You can get there only by 1 lift, which is sometimes necessary to wait for. The basic price for a 2-person room with breakfast was 320 zloty. We paid 130 extra for a room on the top 17th floor with a view of the city. The highest price for this room in the high season is 1,119 zloty for 1 night. We found it interesting that most of the guests we met during our stay spoke East Slavic languages. In summary, this is a hotel for travelers, tourists and business travelers who are looking for a good night's sleep and not for relaxation in the hotel itself. And in this respect, it is 100% successful. It has maintained the same quality for years. It is likely that we will return to it again.